I want to share with you how I made a $647 error mistake. I have a TPMS system with my rig, tire pressure management system, and I have religiously kept an eye on the tire pressure. But what I didn't do was keep an eye on the tire temperature because, in the morning, the side that's facing the sun, the tires are hot, and the side that's in the shadow, they're cold and all of that. So, kept religiously looking at the pressure, but didn't look at the temperature. And finally, it caught my eye that while I was driving down the road, my front two tires were over 100 degrees, while my back tires always stayed around 70, 75, maybe 80 degrees. And I was like, well, that's kind of odd, that my front tires are so much hotter than the back tires. And I thought, well, maybe because of the engine and everything like that, it's just heavy, front end heavy. Well, I finally got a chance and took a look at those front tires, and the outside edges are fine, and the inside edges are worn down beyond safety. So I took it into Discount Tire, and they said, "Oh yeah, you definitely need a front end alignment." Was it swerving all over the? I said, "No, maybe because it's a dually, but it would just track down the road fine." But I noticed a couple things. My gas mileage was going down, and the temperature part never went down on the front end. It stayed hot. So if you get a TPMS, keep an eye on the temperature too, because if I'd caught this earlier or thought about what the TPMS was trying to tell me about the front end, yeah, those tires were hot because they had so much friction just trying to get down the road, and my gas mileage has gone down about a mile or so per gallon. And then it would have just been a realignment, which would have been about $115, but now it's tires, and brand new tires and a realignment, which is $647. So number one, do I recommend a TPMS? Absolutely, because man, sometimes with a dually, something like, you could have a tire go out in the back and you don't even know it's gone. And then the other reason is, which I just told you, dang it, I wish I had found this earlier. It would save me a whole bunch of money, but keep an eye on the tire temperature as well as pressure. So that was a $650 oopsie, but I'm going to pass it on to you so that you don't have a $650 oopsie on your rig. So I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye.